Hey guys, 10K Yuj. Shout out to the B, to the B, to the OAT, to the Y. Union. Union of a hood of that in which is not a cult, not a group, masterminds.
Mastermind group.
Inside of that in which is Mama Lamba card, protection, bringing into the crown. All is well. Later on, you'll hear about the bee. You'll hear the story of the bee. Who is the bee? What has the bee become? Is the question. And when is the bee going to transfer? Very soon. Find out about the bee that's going to change the world around you. Agriculture.
Change it through the crown. The nature within the bee to be right now. 10K Yuj Tarot.
Sooner or later, you're going to find out the bee, and that's going to awaken.
Your story of creation.
The bee's about to come out because now is the blank card, and the bee is transforming from stinging you to loving you.
Let's rejoice in music. Amen.